make me feel so good, baby. Won't you just stop now and listen to me? I'll be the first to say I'm tired of all the games we play, and never been competitive, but you sure know how to play it. In the car, in the walls, everyone knows when it calls, baby. I'll see you later, found out, but I still need saving. You make me feel so goddamn good, yeah. I swear I could not fake it. Heaven is overrated. Yeah, I didn't even try. And I didn't even try. You make me feel like I'm alive. I swear I could not fake it. Heaven is overrated.
Tayo po ay nagkakatipon ngayon sa harap ng ating Panginoong Diyos para pagbuklurin sina kapatid na Jeffrey James Gabriel at Justin Jade Mungkal sa pamamagitan po ng banal na pagkakasal.
Sa wakas, dumating na tayo sa araw na panalangin lang natin ngayon. Salamat sa Ama dahil ipinagkaloob ka niya.
Advance happy birthday, my wife. Can't wait to see you later. I love you always and forever. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Kaya may flowers kasi ano.
Thank you, baby. I love you. See you later.
May matching sa'yo.
Dapat nating alalahanin kung gayon na ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng Diyos para sa kapakinabangan at kaligayahan ng mga taong kanyang nilalang.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa ating Panginoong Diyos dahil sa higit 10 taon nating pagsasama bilang magkasintahan ay ipinagkaloob niya ang mahalagang araw na ito. Matagal tayong naghintay. Maraming pagkakataong umiyak tayo, nasaktan, hinusgahan at nabigo. Pero hindi tayo sumuko. Lahat yon ay nalampasan at kinaya natin.
Ikaw ang pinakatiyak sa 1,000 dudang meron ako. Araw-araw kong nare-realize na ikaw yung dahilan kung bakit ako masaya at kontento sa buhay.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now.
Simpleng regalo para sa nag-iisang lalaki sa puso ko. Please always use and wear this. I love you.
Salamat. Sa prank.
I just
Nice.
wanna miss you tonight.
Tapos, Samsung yung nakalagay, no?
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Salamat dahil lagi kang nandiyan. Ikaw yung nagpapalakas ng loob ko. Sandalan at katuwang sa lahat ng bagay. I promise to give my best of myself at maging isang mabuting asawa. Pangakong lagi kang pipiliin at sasamahan.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moments of truth in your lies.
At ngayong araw,
When every
pangako kong pakamamahalin ka hanggang dulo. Pangakong hindi ka iiwan at lagi lang sa tabi mo. Gagawin ko ang lahat para maging masaya ka at ang bubuin natin pamilya. I love you again.
that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
Magkasama nating aabutin ang mga pangarap natin para sa ating pamilya. At kung sakali mang dumating ang mga panibagong pagsubok, balikan lang natin ang araw na ito, kung saan mayroong ikaw at ako, habang ang Diyos ang sentro, tayo hanggang dulo. I love you very much.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand when everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
Ang kapatid na
Just want
Jeffrey James,
you to know who
you make is your wife.